Hello, today I'm going to talk about my travel, my last travel, my new travel, and I'm going to introduce myself first than everything. So, my name is Liliana Margarita Luna Sanchez. I am 28 years old. I am from Colombia, from city Santa Marta. So, I like so much watching television as a Netflix movies. I like reading books or writing books and study so much. I like listening music is very important for me. And I like different kind of things. I live with my family. I enjoy to stay at home, sometimes go out. Or right now with the pandemic, no, I don't do it so much. But I think it's important go out. So I want to speak right now about my last travel that was in Italy. My last travel was really good. I was with my family in Palermo city first than everything, and this city is very good and important in Italy. And about the grape farms are really nice. I was enjoying with different friends of mine. After that, I was in Roma. Roma is another kind of country inside Italy, but Roma is very important, and the structure, architecture, and buildings and different kind of things that you can find this place are really nice, and was with my family, with my friends. I enjoy to visit these different places, and Palermo is a great city and I love it. I really love it. The most important was the experience. I was in different museums, knowing different kind of places, beside different kind of things. And the most important is the culture, because the culture of Italy is different from Colombia. Yes, they have the seasons, and that place is very cool. That so my next travel, I'm going to Peru, because Peru is here in South America. I think it's nice to know a place from my continent. So in Peru, I want to know Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a great place to know, with a great history and infrastructure, and there are so many people from other countries beside in this place. So I really want to know it. So I going with my friends. I don't go alone. I going with my friends. I am thinking what around this place, and listen the histories. Maybe buying different souvenirs for my family, because my family is not coming with me. So yes, I think it's nice. I'm going to buy the tickets. I'm going over there. After that, I will go to Lima. Lima is the principal city from Peru, and this place is really nice. I will enjoy it so much. I think, and the infrastructure, the history, the gastronomy is really cool, because it's based on fish or seafood that I think is nice. So the most important when you travel to another country is enjoy and live the experience with your friends, with your family, or all the people that is around you. Meet the places, get the more information that you can about that country, and take a lot of pictures. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.